Good afternoon, third grade. Hope this finds you well. Mr. Greenwood here. I want to do a little lesson today on analyzing nonfiction. I'm going to give you an assignment shortly that will have you answering some questions. The important thing about nonfiction is when reading nonfiction to ask questions and finding answers to those questions. Who, what, where, when, why, how. As you've learned before, nonfiction is a piece of work about something that's true. I'm going to go over a little more of what we're going to be doing shortly. A little background. Nonfiction texts are true. They give the reader information and facts about a topic. Some types of nonfiction texts include newspapers, magazines, encyclopedias, and even some picture books. Nonfiction texts have many parts to them, including titles, subheadings, keywords, pictures, and captions. Each part is different and has a special job to do to help the reader understand what he or she is reading about. Question to think about is, how do you think these different parts can help you understand a nonfiction text? I have a little selection called About Pandas, and we're not going to read the selection. We're going to identify its parts. Call those text features. So we have here on the side, we have picture, keyword, subheading, and title. These are the parts of a nonfiction work. The picture, as you see here, keyword. A keyword opens, let's think of it as a door, like a key opens a door. A keyword opens information. So if I was to look up China, a keyword, the China keyword would find me information about pandas, because pandas are found in China. And that's where, when you think of pandas or you think of China, they're both connected, okay? Subheading. This is our subheading. What do pandas eat? Because this article is about pandas and what they eat. Pandas is the entire selection. This is just a part. So this, what do pandas eat, is called the subheading. Title. The title is pandas. Okay. Now, what we're going to do real quick, I'm going to go into our worksheet. You're going to get this worksheet here. Now this one about Pluto, we're going to do together. Okay, you're going to see this on our sheet. This one about gravity, you're going to do on your own, and you're going to get a copy of this as an attachment in Google Classroom. So all you need to do is fill it out and send it back to me, and the directions will be on your assignment. Okay, this is our article on Pluto. So we're going to read the article, and we're going to come up with, we have a chart of questions and answers, and we're going to fill it in, and you'll get to see how we identify and analyze text. Did you know there used to be 9 major planets in the solar system? Earth is one of them. For many years, Pluto was the 9th planet. It could be as cold as 387 degrees Fahrenheit below zero. There is no place on Earth that gets that frigid. Now, frigid means very cold. Okay? Fahrenheit is a measure of temperature. Okay? Here in the United States, we use Fahrenheit to measure our temperature. Around the world, everyone else uses Celsius. Okay? We don't use Celsius. We use Fahrenheit. Pluto, the dwarf planet. On August 24th, 2006, scientists decided that poor Pluto would no longer be considered a big planet. Since then, Pluto has been classified as a dwarf planet. Dwarf means something small. Some people were sad that Pluto was no longer the ninth planet. Other people were excited about the name change. Pluto is still a special part of our solar system. Now let's take a look at our chart, which you'll see in your worksheet. We're going to find who or what the text is about, when and where it takes place, and why the author has written it. This is the author's purpose, so we can look at author's purpose in another lesson of the reason why people write what they do. We're going to match our answers. Okay. You'll see this in your sheet. First one, before and after August. Now, this would be an answer, right? Because it's not in the form of a question. So, before and after August, they give a date, and that is when. The question is, who or what is the text about? Well, which answer would this match with? Who or what is the text about? Now, it wouldn't be about the author wrote the text to inform the reader. That is why. This is about who. Who or what? So what is Pluto and our solar system? The text takes place in our solar system. Where is the text about? The text takes place in our solar system. And process of elimination, our last one. The reason the text was written to inform the reader, it was to inform, the question is why. Why did the author write the text to Pluto? And when we hit correct, all good.